How to convert PDFs and docs to Google Forms. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you how to automatically convert docs and PDFs to Google Forms. This is going to be a very useful tip for those who have some sort of a PDF with a lot of quiz questions and you just want to automatically turn it into a Google form. So let's just get into the video and show you. In the case of this video, I just have this sample PDF that I just got from the internet. And I'm just going to be using it for the sake of this example. So the first thing that you will need to do is just go ahead and upload this file or your PDF or docs into your Google Drive. And all of the work is going to be within Google Drive, so you will need to be here regardless. From here, you will need to just go ahead and get a specific add-on that is going to do the work for us. But before that, we will need to go to the Settings tab in Google Drive and make sure that within the Uploads section, convert uploads to Google Docs editor format is checked. So with this being checked, we can just go ahead and get the add-on. So just go ahead and click on this plus icon and just click on Get Add-ons. And just go ahead and search for Auto Magical Forms. It should be a unicorn. It's this one right here. And you can know it right away because of the numbers and the ratings. So just go ahead and actually install this add-on. It's going to allow you to, as you can see here, PDFs, docs, and slides, and you can just turn it into Google Forms automatically, which is actually very great. And it does actually like register the questions that are in your PDFs. And what I just did is give it permission, so just make sure you allow that. And yeah, and click on done, and we can just go ahead and exit out of here. So to actually use this automagical unicorn thingy, it's actually very simple. What you need to do is just go ahead and open it up, and then from here, what you would need to do is just select the file that you want to turn into Google Forms. So just go ahead and select the file from within your Google Drive. It's this one. In my case, I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. And you can see on the right side, it's just going to change right away, and it's going to give me a new page, which is asking for permission. So click on Request Permission. Just give it a little bit of time and click on Allow. From here, it's just going to give us some options on how you want to actually find the questions within the PDF. I'm just going to go ahead with the first one. I really suggest that you go for the first one. It's really easy to do. It's perfect. And it's just going to find the questions within the PDF. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Go Automatically. And also, you will be able to edit the questions that you want and the ones that you don't. This way, you don't really keep questions that you don't really want in there. And also, at the same time, when you actually have it in Google Forms, you can actually edit it from there as well. For some reason, it's just taking a lot of time, so I'm just going to pause the video and maybe restart. I don't know. Okay, never mind. It's right here. So after you check the questions, just make sure that you check the questions that you want to keep. Click on Create Form, and it should just create the form for us. Once that's done, you can just go ahead and open the form. And this is pretty much how to convert PDFs and docs to Google Forms easily, and you can edit it from here as well. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.